A collaboration between the medical school headquarters and Next Step Test Prep, the MCAT podcast is here to make sure you have the information you need to succeed on your MCAT test day. We all know that the MCAT is one of the biggest hurdles you'll face as a pre-med, and we're here to give you the motivation and information that you need to know to help get you the score you deserve so you can one day call yourself a physician. Hey, I wanted to jump in here real quick and let you know that we have more great MCAT podcast episodes coming to you next week. But this week, I want you to go listen to the PreMed Years. Now, I know a lot of you listen to the MCAT podcast and you're like, okay, I need to study for the MCAT. This is why I'm listening to the MCAT podcast. But I want you to go listen to the PreMed Years. If you don't already listen to that one or don't subscribe to it, I encourage you to at least listen to this week's episode, 354, where I talk about the LizzyM score and all of the different scores and algorithms and equations to help you figure out where you should be applying to medical school. And really, if they do help. I think as you are going through this MCAT journey, your focus is obviously getting as high of a score as possible. And trust me, it's important, but it's not the end of the world either. Your MCAT score is just one part of your journey. Your story matters. Go listen to the PreMed Year, session number 354.
This is MedEd Media.